receive your login information from your plan provider. Enter your username and mobile activation password. Make any necessary changes on the optional settings screen. The convenient home screen provides tiles for most common features. Using the messaging options, you'll be able to chat or email with your coach or doctor. Using the drop-down feature on the recommended intake tile, you will see consumed, burned, and net calories. Using the drop-down feature on the macro tile allows you to view recommended and remaining macros. Use the sugar tile to make sure you're consuming no more than 25 to 50 grams of sugar per day. The main menu can be accessed in the lower part of the screen. You can also do quick shortcut links by clicking on the arrows on the tiles. In this example, we will access the My Meals screen and open day 1. We can also generate a grocery list by clicking on the grocery cart icon, identify the days we would like to go grocery shopping for, then click Done. Foods are neatly categorized in food groups to make the grocery shopping experience easier. You may long press on any food to remove it from the grocery list. We can use the main menu to go back to the My Meals screen and exchange foods for food preferences by touching any of the foods appearing in the mealtime, touching the icon in the top right corner, then selecting Exchange, then picking the food in the same corresponding food group. We can also use the menu in the top right corner to access other menu items, including Save as Favorites for specific foods. Another convenient feature is the Copy Meal to Log icon button that appears to the right of the meal title. You can save any recommended meals quickly to your log to save manual entry time, as well as scroll through the log dates using the arrows. At the bottom of the My Log screen for each date is a Swipe Up tab where you can view logged macros, including recommended and remaining for the day. By pressing on the heart icon button, you can save any meal as a favorite, give it a description, then when you search next time for a favorite meal, you can add it quickly to your log. You can delete any food from the log at any time by touching on the food, then selecting the menu in the top right corner, then select Remove Food. You can also touch on foods and adjust the serving sizes, and then save your changes. There are a variety of different search options when logging your food. To log a food, press the plus icon button next to the mealtime. You can search the database by typing in the description and then adjusting the portion size. Another option is use the friendly barcode scanner and follow the prompts. Your mobile app also gives you the opportunity to track your weight, view changes over 30, 60, and 90 days, as well as record your weight. Back at the main menu, we can access the My Moves icon tile to open up the My Move screen. The calendar will show circled dates, meaning you have workout plans assigned to those dates. You can open up each of the workout movements to view the video and the details of sets, reps, pounds, and duration. If you would like to add a custom movement, you can search the database by body part and add that to a specific date. You can modify any of the assigned or selected movements by adding sets and changing the values at the top of each column, along with the values of reps, sets, pounds, and rest seconds within each set. This concludes the tutorial video. Thank you for watching, and have a healthy day.